guys, for this easy bow, you're going to want to flip over two of your dining room chairs and use the legs, wrap the ribbon around it and make an X. Then take one of them, give it a twist, cross it over the top. Then you have one on top of the other. Then you're going to take the top one, cross over the one on the right, then pull it through the loop and tighten it. And you should have a beautiful bow. You may have to adjust the knot just a little bit. And then you have a simple and beautiful bow that's perfect to put on your Christmas tree, on your Christmas decor, Christmas presents, or wherever you would like to add a bow. I hope this tutorial helps you. 50 inches is what I cut my ribbon at, and I used some Dollar General ribbon that was only $1, and it does have wire. Then for the second bow, this ribbon came from Sam's Club, and it does have wire too, 1.5 inch. Thanks for watching. I also wanted to mention that I got my inspiration from Noelle's Decor on TikTok. I'm going to play the video one more time just so you can watch and see the process.